Only for me.
Honey! So sweet! Uh-oh!
Hmm? Mimi,
Just a little.
let's share.
Best honey. More honey? Like and subscribe!
More sweet stories.